Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? How is your vacation and Ramzan are going? Students, did you visit any vegetable shop? What does a vegetable vendor means? Sabzi farosh used to weigh onions, potatoes and other vegetables. A pan balance. As you can see the picture of a pan balance. So what does your mother use in the kitchen to measure liquids like milk or oil? A calibrated glass jar with millimeter and centimeter marking. It is a kind of jar having markings as you can see in this picture. And a cloth merchant measures the cloth with a meter rod. Measuring weather is a bit complicated, but measuring weather and keeping record can help in many ways. Like weather warnings can help to protect life and property. Day-to-day plans can be amended, means can change in the light of forecast, and farmers can also take benefit from this and plant their crops accordingly. Students, we have to use special apparatus. Apparatus means things we use in lab and doing scientific experiments. Special apparatus designed to measure the amount of rain, direction of the wind, minimum and maximum temperature and air pressure. And these apparatus are rain gauge, wind vane, thermometer and barometer. Let's come to the first measuring instrument, that is rain gauge. It measures the amount of rain that has fallen. This is a metal or plastic container at the top of which is a funnel. As you can see in this picture, and inside the container is a glass cylinder marked in millimeters. Rainfall on the funnel and collects in the cylinder where it is measured every day, and this measuring cylinder should be inside a container to prevent evaporation, which causes incorrect reading. Students, रेन गॉज इंस्ट्रूमेंट को बारिश की अमाउंट को मेजर करने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। ये प्लास्टिक और मेटल से बना हुआ एक कंटेनर होता है जिसके ऊपर फनल होती है, और इस गिलास सिलेंडर के अंदर मिलीमीटर्स लिखे होते हैं। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं बारिश के पानी को मिलीमीटर्स में मेजर किया जाता है, और बारिश का पानी जो कि फनल पर गिरता है, जो प्लास्टिक कंटेनर पर रखा हुआ होता है, और बारिश का पानी गिलास सिलेंडर में जमा होता रहता है, जहाँ से इसे डेली बेसिस पर मेजर कर लिया जाता है। अंडरस्टूड? लेट्स कम टू सेकेंड मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, that is wind vane. This is a simplest weather in measuring instrument. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of wind vane. A wind vane is a device with a freely rotating pointer used to indicate the direction of wind. To work correctly, weather vane should be at the highest point of a building. A metal arrow with a tail is on a pole or roof so that it will turn around. As you can see, here is a metal arrow. It points in the direction from which the wind is blowing. When the wind blows, the arrow shows the direction and speed. Students, wind direction is the direction from where the wind is blowing, and wind direction is important to predict the weather. Do you understand all the points? Hope you understand. Third point is thermometer. It measures temperature. An ordinary thermometer is used to check the body temperature, such as one we may have at home. A thermometer measures the air temperature. Most thermometers are closed glass tubes containing liquids such as mercury or alcohol. But for weather purpose, we really need a maximum and minimum thermometer. The maximum and minimum thermometer is used to record daily temperature. The points in the thermometer are reset by a magnet or by a good shake. It has a U-shaped tube and mercury. Liquid in U-shaped tube is a mercury, and this mercury moves up and down both arms. Two small pieces of steel float on top of the columns of mercury. As the mercury goes upwards in the hot column, it pushes up its steel marker. Students, maximum column is a hot column, and when the mercury in the hot side goes back down and the temperature falls, it leaves the steel marker behind so that we can see the highest point it reached. And the cold column is the minimum column, and this column does the same except when the temperature rises. The little steel markers left behind to show the lowest point it reached. And the steel markers means metal markers are reset by pulling them down with a magnet. So students, do you understand all these points? Review the video again and again if you don't understand any point. Now let's come to the homework. Here is 2 questions. Question number 1 is, why do you think the glass measuring cylinder of the rain gauge is inside an outer container? Means रेन गाज में ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, रेन गाज मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, इसमें जो गिलास मेजरिंग सिलेंडर होता है इसके आउटर कंटेनर क्यों होता है? As we discussed in this video, glass cylinder should be inside a container to prevent evaporation, which cause incorrect reading. Understood? Question number 2 is, why is it important to know which direction the wind is blowing from? Why does wind have a tail? इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब यह है कि विंड डायरेक्शन किस तरफ है ये जानना क्यों ज़रूरी है, कि हवा किस तरफ से ब्लो कर रही है, कि विंड की डायरेक्शन क्या है, और विंड वेन की टेल क्यों होती है. बिकॉज the wind direction is important. It is a powerful factor in predicting the weather. And the tail on the wind vane or weather vane is to keep the arrow pointing in the direction from where the wind is blowing. So students, do you understand these questions and suggestions related to answers? Now you can attempt these questions on your NEET copies. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and take care.